In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter estimated tax payments in TurboTax. We all know that preparing taxes can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you have to account for estimated payments. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete this task with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to the TurboTax online platform for the 2025 tax year. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can manage your tax filings. This is where it all begins. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on the Federal tab. This will take you into the Federal section of your return, where you'll be able to input various pieces of information related to your federal taxes. From there, move on to the Deductions and Credits section. This is a crucial part of your tax return, as it allows you to claim deductions and credits that can reduce your taxable income. It's always worth exploring this section thoroughly to ensure you're maximizing your tax savings. Once in the Deductions and Credits area, you'll want to navigate to the Deductions and Credits summary. Here, you'll find a comprehensive overview of all the deductions and credits that you can input into your tax return. Now, look for the option labeled Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. Clicking this will allow you to access the specific section where you'll enter your estimated tax payments. These payments are crucial to report because they can significantly affect the amount of taxes you owe or the size of your refund. Within this section, you should locate the Estimated Tax Payments option. This is the area where you'll provide details about any estimated tax payments you've made throughout the year. These payments are typically made quarterly and are meant to cover income that isn't subject to withholding, like self-employment income, dividends, or rental income. Finally, once you've found the Estimated Tax Payments section, simply click on the Start button. This will open up a form where you can enter the amounts you've paid for each quarter. Make sure to have your records handy, as you'll need accurate figures to ensure your taxes are calculated correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to enter your estimated tax payments into TurboTax without any hassle. Remember, taking the time to accurately report your estimated payments can help prevent any surprises come tax time. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I wish you a smooth tax filing experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy filing!